Now that your show's over and you've got goodies to send to your buyers, let's walk through how shipping works on Whatnot. First things first, head over to whatnot.com on your computer and click your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, click Shipments. Wow, look at all those shipments. Navigate to the Unfulfilled tab in the header. Here, you'll see everything you need to ship. Check your default label options to confirm your return address and the size of shipping labels you want to use. Make sure the weights, sizes, and dimensions listed for each package looks accurate. If anything needs tweaking, just click the little pencil icon to adjust. We have a separate video that dives deeper into editing weights and dimensions, so go check that out if needed. Also, make sure you're good with how the shipments are bundled. Maybe one buyer ordered so many items it will be hard to fit them all into one shipment, so you need to unbundle them. We also have a separate video about bundling and unbundling, so you're welcome to check that one out too. Once you're happy with the weights, dimensions, and bundling of the shipments, you can select all the shipments at once. There's a checkbox for that in the upper left. And hit the yellow Generate Labels button. Or if you prefer, you can generate labels for each order individually by clicking the Generate Label button in the tracking column. Now that you've generated labels, you can bulk export shipping labels or packing slips for some or all of your shipments by clicking Export Shipping Labels/Slips. Just select which materials you want to export, how you want them sorted, and we'll generate them for you. You can also click into any shipment to retrieve the shipping label. Let's check one out. Click the Print Shipping Label button on the right side of the screen. From here, you can print the label, attach it to your package, and ship it out. Just remember to ship within 2 business days to keep your buyers happy and coming back for more. And that's it. You've made sales, shipped your items, and are practically a Whatnot pro. For more details on shipping, check out our Seller Summit video. It walks you through all things shipping, and you can find it in our Seller Academy.